Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be more for the beginner golfer, how to swing it. Okay, so the first thing is that you want your upper body, because you're a beginner, you're not able to focus on too many things. So the first part is suspending or holding up your upper body when you swing. And this video is about a pendulum swing. How do you do a pendulum swing for beginners? Okay, so when you're swinging in your movement, your upper body is holding up while your two arms act as a pendulum. Okay, when you do that swinging. Okay, this is the basic beginning golf swing. Okay, for beginners. Okay, is using your arms and your upper body, and you're holding up your upper body while you do a pendulum, the two arm swing as one piece. Okay,